Hey folks, Namaste. I'm Harshita.
I'm Mohana.
And welcome to our channel, Hey Gym Diaries. Hey all, what's up? Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to Pondicherry. So we booked a car for ourselves for 3 nights.
Yeah.
So we're gonna stay there for 3 nights.
Yeah.
And
Right now it's 6:30 a.m. We quickly got ready. We packed all our bags yesterday night, and now we are starting. So let's go.
let's go, guys. So we are going by car, as I said, and he's down. So let's go.
Yeah, he's here. So.
Good morning, guys. Excited.
Yes, we are
Yes.
super
After
excited.
So long, the four of us are going like on a good trip. So let's go.
Let's go. You guys are twinning. This is all the luggage. Just one more bag.
తెలుగు నేను తెలుగు తెలుసా వచ్చా
He's our driver for 3 days. Let's go party!
Hi.
Are you ready for Pondicherry?
Yeah.
There are so many stories to share with you all since last
there are
night.
so many.
I think you should tell.
Yeah.
So many things happened last night.
So many things happened last night. Oh my god.
First one is that yesterday, right when we came back from Zudio, we reached home. We checked our t-shirts, we checked our dad's t-shirts, and one of them was missing. And it was added in the bill. It wasn't given to us because apparently it fell. So our dad had to go again back to Zudio, around 11 or something. And then he went inside. Luckily, there were like few staff still there, so he got his shirt back. Luckily, that was the first time.
And we were like so disappointed because we loved that shirt so much,
Yeah.
and we didn't want him to miss that out. So
Yeah, it suited him so much. But luckily we got it back. And then the second story is lens. Harshita could not find her lens box. She literally tried searching it, like she was looking for it in every corner of the house. But finally, when I saw her, it was right on the couch. Very, very visible, very noticeable.
And third one is the funniest. We kept our Aadhaar cards so safely inside that we forgot where.
This organized girl kept it so safe.
Yeah, I kept it so safe that I forgot where I kept. Oh my goodness, it was so difficult. But
It was hilarious though. I mean, then we were in a hurry, but right now, if you're thinking about it, it's honestly so funny. And again, our nails, we're very happy with it, okay? But the thing
we got our nails done. This is nice, but it was
Not
so.
nice for work.
and plus, it like hurts, you know? It's honestly pains. I'm pretty sure it's gonna break this, but it was hurting, and we were just like,
And we were
it
so
was an
scared that their nails would get damaged or something, and they were like, "Oh, it's so difficult for them."
Yesterday was hilarious.
Now if you think about it, yeah. I'll tell you one more thing honestly. So I got almost my whole closet in my bag.
So Pondicherry is a union territory and it's bounded by Tamil Nadu. From Bangalore, it's almost 350 kilometers and it's gonna take us like 5 to 6 hours to reach. ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది 5 hours 5.5 hours. Stop by. This is a gas station, so
What are these?
are you guys buying something? Coffee. We came here for petrol and then how's it?
It's good.
There's so many interesting stuff. Damn, bro, stop! You're so pretty. She's so pretty, dude. Oh, you're still so pretty.
But still,
You're still so pretty, dude.
My family is so cute. They keep complimenting me.
Because you are pretty. What do you mean? We're not trying to just act it up or some shit.
Guys, I just got reminded Yesterday night, Mohan and I, there were so many mosquitoes yesterday. Yeah, in our room.
I need to take the repellent.
We took the repellent, but then by then all the mosquitoes bit us. And then because of the nail, we weren't able to scratch ourselves. We were like,
Oh
no,
God,
నీ right hand నుంచి నాకు చేయి, I'll do it for you.
And you know, I hate
And she does it.
I don't like that.
She almost started crying because she had to scratch my arm.
Because I don't like doing that. Even my arm was itchy and I was asking her to scratch it and she was asking me, what is hilarious.
Why don't you use your new nails to do that?
This big
No,
it doesn't
దీంతో అవ్వదు. Like you don't get satisfied because you don't really
Yeah.
feel anything.
Imagine if we like got like both our hands.
I would never get both our nails, both our hands.
No.
Small update. It's 9:30 a.m. and we've reached Tamil Nadu beach and it's drizzling slightly.
चटपटा बेल किसको चाहिए यार देखो.
Mom, do you know me?
Yeah, I do. That's how we do.
This is for our driver.
So, Amma made this bhel type thing with chana cucumber. It's so tasty. We're just having a small snack.
It's so tasty. I love it. And it's super healthy.
Yeah.
Chana chaat.
Yeah, totally. She's gonna say that and she's gonna go to Pondicherry and eat all that. Come. We reached Pondicherry. Let's go. We've reached Pondicherry. Churu, see. So you guys, we've reached Pondicherry. Puducherry. We've reached Puducherry. We started 7 hours. We started around 6:30 and right now the time is 1:30, 1:15. Yeah. It's 1:15 and now I guess we're just gonna have our lunch or directly go to the hotel and then have our lunch. We're just figuring it out.
Our room for tonight. And guess what? The best part.
We've got some friends there. Wait.
Oh shit! Okay.
Hi.
This is their room.
Huh? No, open it. No.
She's stuck in the washroom. Opening. I didn't even lock it. Brother. We are here to have our lunch. Departure 15th, Nama.
So have you booked?
Yes, booked. So you all, we booked a room for tomorrow night. It's sea facing. We really wanted like a sea facing room.
Retreat.
That is booked.
Uh,
Perfect view.
hmm?
Perfect view. There are so many cute cafes.
Around 10:30 or something, we'll come and walk. Huh?
Yeah, of
And
course.
then like toasters, ice creams and all
All
these.
Mohana's favorite shops.
And my favorite part is that there are no vehicles here. There's no vehicles at all like here, right? Just
I
chill
know,
and
that's
walk.
the best part. And look at the maintenance. They maintain so well.
Yeah.
Chudu. So damn clean.
Now the time is 4:11 and we are thinking of going back to our hotel, change, and then we'll come, we'll record some reels or some shots. Do check those out too.
I like these trees, you know, your cute trees.
Turn around.
And the beach there.
Ice cream party. You guys, it's beautiful. We're enjoying, but it is very humid. But it's okay. We're still enjoying. You guys, look at Nana. He's literally in his own world. He's watching cricket. And over here, we are discussing about our plan for today.
We are planning.
We are planning, and Nana's in his own world.
In his own world, he's like, we ladies do it.
And she's planning the whole, you know, itinerary. You know,
So now it's like 5:30 almost, 5:30 p.m. And we'll go to French Colony.
Yeah, this was suggested by our friends too.
And
It's super.
famous.
Yeah.
Want to even go to the Baker's.
Baker Street.
Baker Street.
Yeah.
So for all the French delicacies, and then we'll just have our dinner there.
Yeah.
Some street food.
There are a bunch of cafes, right?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
there's Panyar also. Probably that, something like that, like, and then we'll come back home soon because tomorrow morning we're gonna watch the sunset at Eden. Sunrise. Sunrise at Eden Beach. So that's the plan for tomorrow morning, and then we'll come back. And then
We are thinking of going to Auroville, visiting Auroville tomorrow.
No, not
No.
tomorrow.
What?
Day after tomorrow.
Not tomorrow?
No, because we have to go to Paradise Beach also to.
Yeah,
do the
that
water
we can do that day after tomorrow, no?
And then mango.
Because I want to end the trip with Pondicherry.
Mangroves also there.
Why can't we do that tomorrow?
We've decided.
She's a planner.
That's it.
Stop.
Done.
You see how they're cornering me?
No, just scheduled it in certain days.
No, without me.
Okay, then come later.
You know, I'm a lot of times I'm just left out, you know, cornered, and like they don't consider me, you know, like my
Look who's
opinion.
talking. Look,
We
and
were
she's the
waiting
one
for you there for so long. You didn't come. You were here. Nana was there.
I was
She was on her
busy.
mobile, guys.
Pura aledu.
I got like more than half of my closet in my bag, so I wanted to check. Now that I packed it and it's over, you can't like tell me anything
That's
anyway.
why
Please don't show them all those. Scared. These girls. Decided or no?
No, I'm
Never ending tales. Never ending tales. Get ready fast.
yeah. We are ready.
Let's go.
All of us are wearing skirts. Well, it just happened, you know.
Please don't mind the room. We've already messed it up. Nana ready?
Nana!
Nana correct size.
Guys, give me the credit. Who picked these?
Yes, it's the great Mohana.
We are looking for Baker Street. It's a bakery and it has amazing food and stuff. So we are looking for it.
So we were roaming in White Town in search of Baker Street, but then luckily a guy from this live museum offered to help us out and called an auto for us, and people were actually quite sweet.
He's just guiding us to Baker Street. He's just helping us with that. So we finally found Baker Street. Let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in. No, it is croissant. Huh?
Chocolate croissant.
That is eggless. That's it.
picture says Kohli. The spot is so cozy. It's good?
Huh?
We had ordered hot chocolate, chocolate croissant, flan and palmia. ఫ్లాష్ పట్టుకుని ఉన్నావు కదా.
Yeah, I'm the camera.
So you're all, it's 9:30 p.m. right now. We're quite exhausted. Not exhausted, but we are like sweating right now because it's very humid. Kada? But yeah,
We are just going to have a dinner right
we're
now.
gonna have a dinner. So we went to Coromandel Cafe, but it was booked.
Unfortunately, it was booked and
It was booked and we didn't know that we had to make a reservation before. We thought we could just walk in, but yeah, now we have to just change the dinner location.
Yeah, and we remember we saw this Paniyaram stall in Rock Beach, near Rock Beach. So we're just going there, and if it's there, we'll just have that because
Those looked so
yeah,
delicious.
they did look so delicious. And pizza plans are cancelled. If there is anything close by, then we'll go for pizza. If not, we'll just go with Paniyaram. We honestly not okay with anything. It's currently 12:08, and we're supposed to wake up around 4:30 a.m. So we're gonna sleep.
So y'all, that is it for this day. See you tomorrow at 5 a.m. sharp because we have to leave to Eden Beach for the beautiful sunrise view. Dressing up and then going there. And Mona, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. This was part 1 of the Pondicherry series. We have some interesting things to show you all in the next video. So stay tuned you all. Until then, love, peace and happiness.